Let's move on to some other stories also that we're tracking this Friday morning. And another big development that's expected later today, RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad's bail plea. This is in the Dumka Treasury case will be heard by the Jharkhand High Court today. The former Bihar Chief Minister was sentenced to 14 years of rigorous imprisonment in March 2018 in the fodder scam case. Lalu is charged with a fraudulent withdrawal of 3.13 crore rupees from the Dumka Treasury. And that's why he was in fact punished as well. He's been convicted in 4 fodder scam cases. He would not be able to walk out of jail if he acquires bail. I beg your pardon, he will be able to walk out of jail if he acquires bail in the case. He's already secured bail in 3 other cases. The hearing in the High Court takes place 2 days after the CBI rejected Lalu's bail plea, citing that he'd not served his jail sentence for a single day in the case. Satyajit is joining us live with more details on this. Satyajit, important update expected today. What's perhaps the biggest headline of this hearing is that if Lalu secures bail, he'll actually be able to walk out. And this is amidst that massive controversy over an alleged audio tape that's doing the rounds.
Yes, of course. This is an important day for Lalu Yadav and significant for his party also, since he has landed up in a controversy after his audio went viral and he was heard approaching MLA, luring him to abstain from voting in his speaker's elections. And day ahead of that, he is seeking bail in Dumka Treasury case for fraudulent withdrawal of 3.13 crore. He is already on bail in different fodder scam cases. He is on bail in Devghar Treasury case, which amounts to 79 lakhs, fraudulent withdrawal of 79 lakhs. He was sentenced for 3.5 years. And again, he is on bail in Chaibasa Treasury case. That was for fraudulent withdrawal of 33.13 crore. And he was sentenced for 5 years. In all the cases, the ground cited for seeking bail was that he has served half of the term. And he is on bail on that ground. So there is a hope in Lalu's camp that he will secure a bail in this case also. His counsel Prabhat Kumar told us that a way for his exit will be paved out if he is granted bail in Dumka Treasury case. And since he was granted bail on the same ground, so there is no issue. He will get a bail in this case also, and this excess withdrawal case and the controversy which has come to fore is 2 different cases. So that is a different case, and this is altogether a different case.
So it won't have any bearing essentially on the hearing that's expected today. We'll have to wait and watch. Satyajit, for a moment, thank you for joining us. We'll have to wait and watch to see if Lalu Prasad secures bail today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.